Well, in Johnson County, school funding and a $200 million bond issue are on the ballot this year. But forget about casting your ballot at your local church or school.
The only way to vote is by mail, and that has some people concerned. KMBC 9's Eli Rosenberg explains.
There it is. Going in the mail right now.
For Paul Danaher, it only took a visit to the local post office to make his vote count.
Last step.
Within days, Danaher's ballot will end up here at the Johnson County Election Commission, joining thousands that have already poured in. Workers are already processing more than 6,500 mail-in ballots a day.
This is pretty historic, actually. Yeah.
Johnson County Election Commissioner Brian Newby says the county sent out nearly 330,000 ballots.
These are all scanned ballots.
Here they're expecting around 150,000 to be returned by the election deadline next Tuesday.
It's a good kind of tired, man. Yeah, that's kind of what we've been saying.
This election allows school districts in Johnson County to raise the percentage of local funding from 31% to 33% of their general funds. State law requires this election to be mail-in, as some worry about security.
It's easy, but I mean, you have to question then the authenticity of it as well. It's not like you went and notarized it or there was somebody checking your ID.
As Johnson County prepares for its largest all-mail-in ballot election ever. In Olathe, Eli Rosenberg, KMBC 9 News.
Voters in Shawnee Mission are also weighing in on a $223 million bond issue. If approved, it would pay to build new schools, renovate current ones, and improve school security.